Dealing with an F-150 Lightning Frunk that refuses to open can be frustrating when you need access to your cargo or the 12-volt battery. A dead low voltage battery or a software glitch can completely disable the electronic release buttons. Fortunately, Ford included a mechanical backup system to get you inside when the electronics fail. This emergency release is hidden away and requires no special tools to access. The secret to unlocking your Frunk manually lies directly above the driver's side front tire. You will need to access the area right behind the plastic inner wheel well liner. Make sure the truck is parked safely and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. This gives you maximum clearance to reach your hands behind the front left wheel. Reach your hand up to the top edge of the plastic wheel well liner where it meets the front bumper cover. You might need to pull the flexible liner back slightly to see inside. Feel around the top front section for a small plastic tab attached to a wire cable. This is the emergency manual release pull tab designed to pop the frunk latch mechanically. Once you locate the plastic tab, get a firm grip on it and pull straight down toward the ground. You should hear a distinct physical pop sound coming from the front hood area. This sound confirms that the mechanical latch has successfully released the primary lock. The amount of force required is moderate, so pull steadily without jerking the cable. After pulling the emergency cable, walk to the front of the truck and lift the hood. Since the electronic actuators are not assisting you, the hood might feel slightly heavier than usual. If the frunk still feels stuck after pulling the cable, push down firmly on the hood first before pulling the tab again. This relieves tension on a jammed latch mechanism. With the frunk now open, you have full access to the maintenance panels. If a dead 12-volt battery caused the issue, you can remove the access panels and connect a jump starter. Restoring power will reactivate the electronic latches and bring your buttons back to life. Always make sure the manual release cable is tucked back into its original position before driving.